Okay guys, welcome to Str8yaad TV, one Str8yaad TV. Thanks for tuning into Str8yaad TV. We love you guys. You know it's one love, one strength, one energy. We always give God thanks. So today we're gonna do some jerk chicken guys, because I had some people requesting the jerk chicken again. So they wanna do it and they wanna see it step by step. I already posted something like that, but it wasn't a real jerk chicken. It was just like a party scene guys. So we do a lot of stuff that day. So they said they wanna see the jerk chicken again, because some people taste it and it says the best jerk chicken they ever had. So guys, I'm gonna season up the chicken. Here we go. We had some chicken here. I just bought them from the store, some leg and thigh guys. I'm gonna clean them up for you guys. And I'm gonna season them up. I'm gonna jerk them for you guys, okay? And we'll probably do 2 roast fish too on the side guys. You know what, go already. Because some people don't really eat meat all the time, so. Guys, we're gonna do this now. We're gonna clean the chicken and then we're gonna season the chicken, let it marinate, then we're gonna jerk the chicken. So all my lovely subscribers, thank you for watching. Welcome to Str8yaad TV. Alright guys, so jerking chicken is not really hard. It's all about the real seasoning and how you get it marinate into the chicken, and it's all about how you clean the chicken guys. So number one thing in Str8yaad cooking, we always clean our meat, our fish, anything we're cooking guys, we clean them thoroughly and we wash them thoroughly, so they have to be real clean. And we don't deal with a lot of fat around here guys. We don't deal with a lot of stuff on the chicken. You gotta learn to get under the chicken, take out all those stuff like these, clean the chicken real good, because remember you're gonna eat it guys, so you gotta have to clean it good. You don't want a lot of fat, and you gotta look on the chicken, make sure no feathers, nothing left on here that they don't strip off. You just have to go to your chicken yourself guys and clean it properly. That's all you can do to help yourself, because you eating it, you don't want nothing messed up in your stomach guys. So I'm just gonna show you how to clean it, season it, and then I'm gonna show you how to jerk it. This is all about Str8yaad guys. We teach you from scratch. Everything we're doing, we always do it from scratch guys. We don't do ready make, we do everything from scratch. So watch what I'm doing guys. Going up on the hip, take out all those little stings and all those little rime and all those little thin skin or whatever you want to call it. I get them out. I don't need them on it. And then I come back on the skin guy. Make sure I'm clean, nothing on him. These ones are pretty clean though. Most of them I buy guys, I have to, sometimes I have to pick the feather out. For them I have to clean it more than how I'm cleaning this one, because this one is not so bad. It's just a lot of fat. So you gotta have to get rid of the fat, get rid of some of the skin that you don't need. All these necessary skin guys, you don't need them. And these places in the back, you gotta get them out guys. They don't really take out these parts out of here. A lot of jerkers, they jerk them because they don't know to get them out, and they're probably nasty. So that's why you gotta have to be careful with the food you're eating. So watch me now guys. Go up on the hip, take everything out. You see that? Okay. That's a thin skin guys. You take out all those stuff, you take off the necessary, all these necessary, unnecessary fat you don't need, take them off. See? And set him up where you want him, you go through him, you clean him properly, make sure no skin, nothing. Looking good. So you keep moving. Alright guys, see? Gotta go under him and take this stuff out. A lot of people just buy chicken. Only thing they do is just wash it and then they season it up and cook it. Trust me, not good for you guys. with all these bacteria flying around. You gotta make sure your meat is clean, properly washed. Okay guys? More healthier way. I'm teaching you the healthiest way you can live. To eat the best food. See? Nice and clean. Now the chicken already clean. I'm gonna put a little lime juice. I'm gonna wash him up, guys, some more. So now I'm gonna get in with some lime juice. Yeah. Take everything off. Okay guys? Yeah, I like the lime juice, guys. No matter what, I like the lime juice. Lime juice and the vinegar, that's the best thing you ever have to clean meat. And the salt can do it too, guys. The salt is very good too. If you don't have lime juice and you don't have vinegar, just use the salt, guys. It works the same way. It's like a natural antibiotic, natural saline, natural killer for everything. So, but I have lime juice, so that's what I'm doing right now. Going through them with the lime juice, guys. Clean everything out from over there that I don't need. Yes guys, this chicken gonna be nice. It's gonna be so good. Super good. Okay guys, I'm gonna give them a second rinse and that's it. Give them a second rinse now. And then ready to season, guys. Ready to season. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, guys, is the last wash. Nice and clean, guys, before you clean your meat. No feathers, nothing, no fat, no excess amount of stuff. Just nice and clean, guys. And my subscriber, his wife and family, and all kind of people are gonna eat food today, guys. But you know they don't want to really stay in the air. A lot of them don't want to be in the camera. You know how it goes already, guys. Eat the guys, well clean, front and back, well clean. Okay, you're gonna like this one. You're gonna love it. Okay guys, that is it. That's the final cleaning, guys. I'm done with cleaning now, guys. Now we're going to the seasoning part of it. Now what I'm gonna do, take out some, put them back there, and as I go, I season. Alright guys, so let's get them on this part. And guys, it's good to boil the meat up like this. The season flow through the meat easily. So all of the meat have the same flavor, guys. This is something that a lot of people don't really know, so they don't do it. So now I'm gonna go season, guys. So like I tell you, I don't lose a lot of season. I'm just going with some of my easy spice, all purpose, straight from yard. You can buy them in Jamaica, guys. And you buy them in the store up here. No MSG. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Maggi. Maggi finish. Next one. A little garlic powder, guys. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. I'll just do this 5 pieces and done. That's it. So a little garlic powder, guys. A little Maggi. It's Maggi. Okay, guys, so remember I told you I always like to stop them up, guys, so the seasoning flow right through. These 5 pieces I just put in, I have to get through. And guys, please don't cut your hand. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go on this side of it. Season this side now and then with then I drop a little the spice. Guys, you don't need a lot of season to season chicken. If you don't know to season chicken, it'll be real salt. Even jerk chicken, you don't need a lot of season, because that stuff will be salt so much you can't believe it. So that's why I'm telling you, I'm only using 3 seasons, guys. This easy spice, this Maggi, and this garlic powder. That's all I'm using. I have a lot of seasons, guys, but I don't need to use them, because I'm going to show you how I do real authentic jerk chicken. So you back the skin, guys, when you're doing it. Back the skin all the way so the meat can go back in the flavor of the meat. Don't keep the meat on. Once the season's up, back the skins off back. Let them stay like that. See? So all the season can flow through the meat, because they're already bore up. You understand, guys? Okay? See there, guys? Now I'm gonna go in with the earth season, guy. You know, I like to use my real earth season. Natural season, guys. Natural season. Natural garlic, natural scallion, natural onion, natural thyme. You know it, go. One Str8yaad. Any Str8yaad is a fraud, guys. So we'll cut up little garlic on it, guys. Natural garlic. You know the powder seasoning, they don't strong like the natural season, guys. Trust me, and I don't know what they put in it. Sometimes I'm reading the ingredients on the back of it. Some of those names I don't even know them, guys. That's why I like to use the natural season. So guys, I always told you, if you don't know how to use a knife like me, please to use the cutting board for safety. I don't want you to cut your fingers or cut your fingers off, especially if the knife is sharp. But because I'm a professional cook, I know to use a knife without a board. Okay, so now we want a piece of scallion. Guys, these are simple ingredients I'm showing you. Simple ingredients. Simple, easy ingredients. You don't need a lot of ingredients when people talking about this, talking about that. It's the way the meat seasoned, it's the way the meat clean, it's the way the meat cook. Some pimento, guys, real pimento. So we're gonna grind them or crush them, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna crush them, guys. Because when you put them in whole like this, guys, you don't do much. A lot of people throw them in it like that. You don't get nothing out of it, guys. I'm going to show you how to get the real stuff out of it. Take something and you hit it. Grind it. You just mince it up, guys. Mince it up. See? Now we're gonna open him up. See, guys? This is what I'm talking about. Now we're gonna sprinkle him all over. This is the real authentic jerk chicken, guys. You see that? That is it. Here we go, guys. We have some Walker's Wood jerk season. I could make it myself, but I don't really have the time for that now, guys, because I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm just gonna go with the one from the store, guys. And it's the best one. There is nothing else better than the Walker's Wood. Walker's Wood. You have them in spicy, guys. You have them in mild. But I'm not doing an advertisement, guys. I'm just showing you what I'm using. Because I don't really get paid from this company to advertise a product. Okay, guys. So now what we do, get him up in the meat, guys. Get him in the meat. Rub him up in the meat, guys. Rub it in. Find time to rub it in, guys. Not gonna work good if you don't rub it in. You have to rub it in, guys. Rub it in. So rub it in, guys. See? Rub it in. This is gonna be an authentic jerk chicken, guys. Trust me. Okay, I think I need a little bit more sauce, guys. So I'm gonna wash my hands up and get the next bottle. Okay, guys. Here we go, guys. That was a little one, so I'm opening a new one because that was a little bit in that one. So you know how to finish the old one before we open the new one. That's how we work. Okay. Going with a little bit more. Not a lot, guys. You gotta know how to use it. It all depends on the amount of meat you're doing. The amount of chicken, the amount of pork, whatever. This can use in meat. You can use in chicken, fish, pork, whatever. It's up to you. You can even use it in curry if you want. Brown stew, whatever you want to use it in. See, guys? Yeah. Now you know. See? See me, guys? Everything is good to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna sit him down a little bit and let him marinate. A lot of people call it soak, a lot of people call it marinate. But whatever you wanna call it, guys, I'm gonna sit him down a little bit and let it marinate or soak, whatever you call it. I call it marinate. So now we're gonna put this one side, guys, and do some cleanup. So stick and stay, guys. Stay tuned. Str8yaad TV. Watch the process. Watch for the jerking later. All right, guys. So this is the way we light the fire now. We don't use fluid no more to light coal because the fluid will stay in the coal. So all you do, get a little piece of napkin, get some cooking oil. Damp the cooking oil in the napkin or wet it if you want to wet it. Like I wet it. And then I'm going to put it in the coal like that. And I'm going to set the coal on it, guys. Easy catch. Real quick and fast. You don't need lighter fluid that stay in your body. And it don't make the food taste like you have lighter fluid in it and all this stuff, guys. So stick and stay and watch what I go on, guys. Fire will catch up quick and fast. Alright, guys, anywhere you see smoke, there must be fire. So watch what I go on. Stick and stay. Watch the process. Str8yaad. Alright, guys, I see the fire is getting up already, guys. Like I told you, it's very easy. And it's the most healthiest way to light the coal. You don't use oil in the coal to soak in the coal and then you're going to burn out back in the meat, guys. I'm showing you a much healthier way to use coal and light the coal, guys. So you see. So guys, this is not lighter fluid, guys. This is just some straight cooking oil on a napkin, and it's more healthier, it's better. The lighter fluid now, it stay in the coal a long time, and then it's gonna have to burn out, and by that you lose a lot of coal. So I'm giving you the real, straight, quick and easy way to do it, guys. And the best way. This is the best way. Just stick and stay, watch what I go on Str8yaad TV. Fire up and running, guys. Already. Yeah, guys, you hear that? Fire ready.
A couple days ago, they evict this tenant.
Alright, guys. Give me a second. Here we are going, guys. So we have two surprises for you. We are going to roast some roast breadfruit and some roast potato. Because the fire catch up good enough, guys. Kicking. So we're not going to waste the fire because we have this to roast. So we're going to set him on the fire right away. Set the potato around him. See him there, guys. Roast, we are roast that. And later on, stick and stay, we're going to do some jerk chicken. You're going to see the jerk chicken going to come out, guys. Very nice. Str8yaad TV. One Str8yaad TV, guys, no other TV. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm gonna ready to jerk now. I'm gonna get some chicken on the fire and let the fire do the work. Guys, you gotta be careful when you say the fire do the work. So watch what I'm doing now, right away. We are putting some chicken on the grill. We're ready for jerk, guys. See the breadfruit and down there, you know, guys. See the breadfruit and there. Roast already. Don't forget, see potatoes and alongside, they must soak out. They must soak out, my people. I drop some chicken on the grill now. And set them on my want them and drop them on the grill. Yeah, see them a bun. Shh. Everything is shh. Fire hot like yours, guys. And remember, when you're jerking chicken, don't do coal fire. Remember, when I say coal fire, I don't mean using coal. I mean, don't give a dead fire. Have a hot fire. Because the fire gotta be hot when you're jerking chicken, guys. You can't have no weak fire, no dead fire, no fire now blow nothing. Okay, guys? So I'm showing you from the space them up now, guys. So I put everything one time. One shot. One shot, people. Str8yaad chicken, jerk chicken. Maddest chicken pan plant, guys. Str8yaad TV, guys. Else like this one. Well clean, well seasoned, and I'm gonna cook it well cooked. I'm not the type of guy who do rare meat, guys. I do fully cooking. So guys, now I'm gonna close up. I'm gonna let the fire do the work. Okay guys, stick and stay. Okay guys, so this is the jerk chicken. So we're gonna turn them over. Yes guys, they're looking good. Perfect. This is the way I want them. I don't want them to be burned. I don't want them to charcoal. I don't want them to cook picture perfect. And taste really good too. That's all I want from them. Alright guys, so I just turn them over. And then stay tuned, stick and stay. Watch the process. Look at how man is doing it. Yeah, man, it's a old boy. Come here, so no. Alright guys, so okay my peeps. Guess what I'm going now? I'm going to take out the potato them, I'm going to take out the breadfruit them. Matter of fact, no breadfruit them, one breadfruit. Cause them down there right now, I burn up. See, you guys, ready to eat. Nice roast sweet potatoes. See me? One ready to. Now I'm burn up now guys. I'm a nice roast breadfruit down too. See me? Ready to peel, ready to eat, guys. So we go boost up the fire now. And then we get the chicken then back on the fire guys. That is it. You can stay. Watch the process. Str8yaad TV. One TV. Alright my people. See there? Boost up aside that. Right. Now we got to back to roast, guys. Now we are cover him up. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Go and roast, people. So the breadfruit, see me? Fully roast, guys. Ready to peel and eat. Sweet potato here, guys. Ready to eat. I have the next one over here too, but I'm not gonna eat that now. I'm waiting for the chicken. Okay my peeps, up and running, gunning. Str8yaad TV. We are going for authentic chicken, guys. Real jerk chicken, not no foolishness. No foolishness around here. You see them brown and pretty and nice? That's the way I roast chicken, guys. See them there. The best chicken you can ever eat in your lifetime. See them there? Now, I'm going to switch this one. Take this one off, put it in the middle. You guys have to know how to rotate the chicken. If you don't know how to rotate them, you will never have something good. You guys know how to do your shit, man. Alright, listen. Straight up. Str8yaad. Str8yaad. Baddest thing in the yard, Brad. Str8yaad. Baddest thing in the yard, Brad. 100,000 subscribers. Str8yaad. Yo! Look on them, my people. Later when I glaze them, when I fix them, you're gonna see them. And you're gonna eat them so much. The baddest thing on planet, guys. Str8yaad TV. One and only. Oh, up and running. Gunning. Look for them people. We're gonna close the grill and let the fire do the work. I'm gonna close up now, guys, so the fire can do the work. Okay, guys, so guess what happened? Chicken I'm ready to eat, guys. See you up now. But that's she want to test it out. Come down, make it test it out. Guys, if it not taste nice, she's the first one to tell her, oh, it's whack. So I'm not cut it up too much, so just make she taste it out. Come here, man, I'm gonna show the people what you're doing, man. Test the food, man. Come here, man. Test the food, man. Tell the people your honest opinion, man. Tell if it tastes nice or it don't taste nice.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Hey guys, my kids don't want to be on the channel, okay? They don't like to be in the video light. So it's always been me. Not even my wife wants to be on the video channel, guys, so it's always been me all the time, okay? But I don't care because I gotta do what I gotta do. Everything ready, guys. Them pretty, nice, soft, and juicy. Oh Lord. All these pieces. Fabulous. More. And soft. It's a broke up, guys. Well cooked. Well juicy, guys. When I say well juicy, I mean well juicy. See me? Well soft. See that fly? See? Nice and juicy, guys. I'm gonna cut them up. And then I told you about a subscriber, but this chicken is so soft that, guys, they're tearing up. Them chicken are so juicy, guys. Well juicy, guys, so authentic. So authentic, guys. Guys, one piece drop, I say, now go waste.
You run up a place. You run up a place. My God, it's good.
It's coming, guys. You bring a little something for drink. We have a lot of chicken and we have a lot of food to eat.
We have a food fish.
So we're gonna go crazy all night too.
Oh, damn, chilly.
Come on, test piece, man. Test piece, man. Take a piece and test it, man.
This bit of stuff like me a turkey.
Test piece and test it, man. Take a piece of oil and test it, man.
And a
I
Thanksgiving
tell
it.
people I'm going to sit in tan, man. No, not there, sir. Over here, sir.
That's what I wanted a piece of it.
Then take your auntie. Test it up, man. Sitting mad. Nice.
I know a piece to take up.
Man, take any piece you want to take. Don't care. Any piece you want to take, just take piece.
Right. Good catch. Lisa, top good for Lisa. We have sauce there.
I didn't put the sauce out yet because I was just taking off for your skin. We are eating without sauce and we're going to eat with sauce. So, we're testing without sauce right now.
Give up more hot sauce.
Okay, we're testing without sauce. We're doing it naturally. And then later on, we're going to test with sauce because I have all the sauces later on. I'm going to test with sauces.
Okay.
So, no, we're testing naturally. Naturally. No sauce, nothing. Go straight earth. Boy, mad. Mad. Guys, put the real sauce on it later on, it's gonna be crazy. Really crazy. But you can't eat real sauce, guys, because you don't need sauce to eat it. It's so nice. So nice and good. So, okay, guys. The jerk chicken is moist, sweet. So, guess what happened, guys? I'm gonna spread a little honey. Sweet honey, guys. Just a little bit on it. Just a little bit of sauce, guys. Just to give it a little bit of You don't need it anyway, but it's more crazier when you have it on it. It got a lot of flavor. The flavor is so up and running. It's so nice and juicy, guys. Look at this one, guys. I don't need sauce, guys. Don't need sauce. Man! Str8yaad TV is the only one TV who give you authentic chicken, authentic cooking, and the real cooking from start to scratch. Okay, guys, so keep watching, keep loving the video. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. One out, Str8yaad TV. Blessing to the world, God.